Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am UshaBala. So today I gonna show you this Independence Day special makeup look. Happy Independence Day all of you. So let's get started to the video. First of all, I used this Fair and Lovely Fairness Cream as a primer. Take a little bit amount of cream and apply evenly on face and neck like so. Don't apply any cream or any powder with your palms. Only apply with your fingers like so, and don't take a cream or powder on your palm. So coming to the powder, next I apply this powder with the help of the blender. This is white tone powder. Next I apply eyeshadows from this palette. This is from Maybelline Nudes palette. First I apply this coral orangish color on my crease area. Okay, next I apply this white color on that palette like so. Okay, next I apply this brownish, light brownish color, green mixed color. So this is the Independence Day makeup look, so I choose these colors. These are not perfect flat colors, so please ignore it. Slightly variation on these colors. Next I apply this brownish green color on my eyelids. Okay, next I apply this kajal from Itex. I apply this mascara from Blue Heaven. Okay, next this is lip balm from Maybelline, orange color lip balm. So I apply this lipstick. This is from LA 18 orange color lipstick on my lips. Okay, next I use this also for eyeshadow, dark orange color. So I need more orange color on my face, so I use this lipstick as a eyeshadow. So next I fill my eyebrows with this pencil. This is from Lakme. So next I apply this contour and highlighter from Maybelline. First I open contour and apply on my cuts area, whatever I want cuts, forehead and nose and chin areas like so. Next I apply this highlighter on my forehead and nose middle line and chin area. Blend it thoroughly, that highlighter and contour. So next I put this Singer Tilak on my brows middle. These are all colors I have. See this. This is from Singer. Happy Independence Day, all of you. So this is my makeup look, guys. If you like this video, please give a like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Jai Hind. Bye. Keep smiling and keep rocking. We'll see you in the next video. Please subscribe my channel.